Rachel Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today we're going to take a look at this cutie pie 785 Vista Lane up in Sugarloaf. So come check. So here we are from the street, 785 Sugarloaf Boulevard. As you can see, it's 2 stories, 2 bedrooms, kind of could be a 3rd bedroom. We'll see what you think. But right here up, we're close to where you think this is 785, close to where you hit 900, which is just the end of this block, you will hit the National Forest. So that is one major pro on this property, is that you are walking distance to the ski slopes. So property line is going to be roughly around here. This is going to be your water meter. So plenty of parking too. You can get in between the trees here, around here, probably about 3, maybe 4 cars. And then our property line is going to be over here on this side, fence line. So just hitting the market, 2 bed, 1 bath, extra bonus room bedroom. And this one just hit the market for $325. And our square footage is 708. And so it is partially fenced too. There's a fence that goes on that side, and then one that goes on this side as well, as some beautiful oak and pine trees. And then you might be wondering what these are. These are the stop and waste. So turning this one off is going to turn off the water to the house in case you're going to be gone for a very long time. You would want to shut that off, and this one is for the hose bib right here. So coming in, we've got a nice concrete porch, little railing all the way around, and great colors too, kind of like a slate blue. Paint is in great shape, and then like a lime green on the door. These are the birds too around here. So coming in, we are going to enter into that 3rd bedroom space that I was telling you about. So basically, you've got bunk sets right away, 2 on each side with storage underneath. Each of them are twin beds, and we do have vaulted ceilings as well. Tongue and groove, nice, beautiful, large beams. And at the entry, we do have a laminate flooring right here, and followed by kind of like a commercial grade carpet. Really, really good condition too. So if you did want to use this as a 3rd bedroom and have like a little bit of privacy, you could put a curtain rod up here. This one is currently just used as a 2nd home, but would make for a great vacation rental just because of proximity to the forest. I would just recommend adding a hot tub. So here we are in the main living room of the home. Got nice cedar siding, good size, L-shaped furniture. Let me see. Got single pane windows in here, but it's kind of cold out today, and that actually feels really good in here. Ceiling fan. And then coming this way, we've got the rock fireplace. Little chalky area. So this can be cleaned up and spruced up. A lot of people I've been seeing have been painting this black or gray or white, which has also got this live edge mantle right here. It's beautiful. And so this one is a build your own fire. No gas starter on this one. So probably going to have some of those easy light logs to make your fire. And those are right in here. So this is the woodshed area. I'm unknown if there is access from the outside, but this is where you would put all the firewood that you plan to burn. And sometimes you can access it from the outside to throw it in there. So we do have a wall heater. This is going to be there's two different wall heaters in this home. The second one is going to be at the rear so that it heats up the master bedroom upstairs. So here we are coming into the only bedroom, or bathroom. It's a full bathroom. Going to transition from carpet over to laminate hardwood floors again. It has been updated, kind of oak and cast iron. We've got a heat lamp. You can open the window to get some air circulation going outside. Fiberglass tub. This tall. Supposed to be in a rainfall, more like a gooseneck shower head. Good colors all throughout the house, like a very neutral kind of gray color. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen. And so this is right now, this is where the dining is. You could easily put the dining at the front of where, if you wanted to take the bunk beds out. You could also add it, you could put the furniture here a little bit closer to the fireplace and put a dining room table back here if you wanted to. Lots of different options. But for the time being, you've just got a little bar top you could sit out right here with, again, the live edge on it as well. And so coming into the kitchen again, right where the bathroom transitions to laminate, this also does in the kitchen too. So for all your wet spaces, that's what's going to be there. We do have tankless. This is the recommended brand for Big Bear, Navien, or RACHAEL is another one that is a good brand for it. I almost wonder what's up there because the ceiling is low in the bathroom and here, but maybe we'll find out one day. And then here we are in the kitchen. Got a little microwave cart. This is not built in. It's just there, perfectly spaced. All white appliances, so microwave, fridge, and just a little area to kind of cutting board. This is cast iron. Nice cabinetry. And then another thing to note, I'm not sure what's up there. Maybe you can tell. It's kind of like a storage area up here. So it's like a little trap door, which is kind of neat. You can see it folds up and then you lock it in place. So really interesting. And they've got another one up above too. So here we are. We're going to transition out of the laminate hardwood floors back over to the carpet. And from here we could go into the hallway or into the bedroom. This is the official first bedroom. It appears to be, I would say, a double bed. You could probably, if you could get rid of the end table and you wanted more bed, you could probably get a queen size bed in here. And then we have nice closet, pretty deep closet space too. Nice two big header beams as well. So coming here, this is where that second wall heater is. And this one's gonna produce the heat that then flows upstairs to that second bedroom. Laundry storage outside, go in this direction. But for the tour, we're gonna start with the bedroom upstairs. So this window is double paned. You can see that there's another window on the outside. So kind of like a floating stair coming up, vaulted ceilings as well as tongue and groove. wood cedar ceiling. And so as you can see, there's no real like a closure to the downstairs. So if you wanted to, you could build this wall up, put a door here, but for the sake of it, it's kind of nice and open. So we've got up here, queen bed. And same colors as all throughout the rest of the house. And like a very, very light gray color. I like this tiny blade fan. It's like a 1 foot ruler size on there. And then here we have the closet in the bedroom. All right, so now we're gonna go downstairs and go check out the last part, which is the outside. And so you've got a good amount of space underneath the stairs right here. Snowblower. Also, while we're talking about snowblower, this one can come furnished. So if you wish, you could write an offer requesting some of the furniture to come with it. I think if you're looking to buy a home in Big Bear, that is a great tool to have. And I put some stuff in this closet, so you can't really quite tell, but it is laundry hookup, so stackable laundry would go in here. Good size. And then here we have the backyard. So again, the same green door as the front of the home. And again, it is fenced, chain link fence on 2 sides, wood fence. And you got this nice pine tree back here. Kind of a shot of the back of the house, side of the house. You got a shed back here as well. So, oh, and a dog. And then got a little picnic table. And here is the other edge. So let me know what you think. $785. Vista Lane, just listed for $325. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.